Grandma Alaska with Alaskan Family Outback Adventures. And today on this video, we have Todd doing another recovery up on the haul road, a semi this time, a Heineken truck. He is not feeling very good today, so he wasn't able to narrate it for me, but he said on some future ones he will be able to narrate them. But I wanted to get this video out there, so here we go. Check this out.